Good morning students. It's a continuation of slope and the tangent. So next type of the problems. Here note down the point. Note down the point. If slope of tangent is 0, then if slope of tangent is 0, then theta is equal to 0, which means the tangent line is parallel to the x axis, which is parallel to the x axis. It may be like this, where the tangent line is parallel to x axis, where theta is equal to 0. So graph hegirbodu, it may be like this. So x axis means x will be equal to what? X will be equal to 0. Don't consider this. So it may be like this, which is parallel to the x axis. So second condition, second one, if the slope of tangent is infinity, then theta is equal to pi by 2, which means the tangent line is parallel to y axis, where the theta will be the pi by 2 or the infinite. First question, based on this we are solving the problems today. Find, these are the important question, put the star. Find points at which the tangent to the curve y is equal to x cube minus 3x square minus 9x plus 7 is parallel to the x axis. So parallel to x axis. So parallel to x axis means what will be the slope? The slope will be 0. We have note down the point that the slope is 0. Here the slope will be infinity when it is parallel to y axis. Slope will be 0 when it is parallel to x axis. Write the condition. When tangent is parallel to the x axis, the slope dy by dx of tangent, slope of the tangent is 0. That is dy by dx is equal to 0. Now consider the curve. Y is equal to x cube minus 3x square minus 9x plus 7. You differentiate it with respect to x. It becomes dy by dx is equal to 3x square minus 6x minus 9. So since parallel to x axis, dy by dx is equal to 0. which implies dy by dx is equal to 0. So the equation becomes 3x square minus 6x minus 9 is equal to 0. Divide throughout by 3, it becomes x square minus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. So x square minus 3x plus 1x, 3 minus 1, 2, minus 3 plus 1, minus 2, minus 3 is equal to 0. Take out the x common, x minus 3 plus 1 into x minus 3 is equal to 0. X minus 3 into x plus 1 is equal to what? 0, isn't it? So we got x minus 3 is equal to 0. It means x is equal to 3. X plus 1 is equal to 0. It means x is equal to what? Minus 1. When x is equal to 3, take the equation. Equation is x cube minus 3x square minus 9x plus 7. 3 cube minus 3 into 3 square minus 9 into 3 plus 7. 27 minus 27 minus 27 plus 7, which gets cancelled. So y is equal to what? Y is equal to 7. Sorry, 20. I'm sorry. Minus 20. Next, take the next equation. Let x is equal to minus 1. So given equation y is equal to x cube minus 3x square minus 9x plus 7. So y is equal to minus 1 cube minus 3 into minus 1 square minus 9 into minus 1 plus 7. Minus 1 minus 3 plus 9 plus 7, which is equal to minus 3 minus 1 minus 4. Minus 4 plus 9, it becomes 5 plus 7, which is equal to what? 12, isn't it? So therefore the points are in the last you have to give the conclusion that the points are, when x is equal to 3 we got minus 20, when x is equal to minus 1 we got it as 12. So the answer will be 3 comma minus 20 and minus 1 comma 12. Next, second question. Next question, find a point. Find a point on the curve. Find the point on the curve y is equal to x cube minus 3x. Sorry, y is equal to x minus 2 the whole square, at which the tangent is parallel to the chord, joining the points 2 comma 0 and 4 comma 4. 2 comma 0 and 4 comma 4. So consider the given curve. Curve is equal to x minus 2 the whole square. You differentiate it with respect to the x, so that it becomes dy by dx is equal to assume as x square, 2 into x minus 2, derivative of x is 1, which is equal to 2 into x minus 2. Next, here the two coordinates has been given. If two coordinate has been given, how to find the slope? You know the slope formula, isn't it? Slope is given by dy by dx or the m. Here we will use dy by dx. y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So take the coordinates 2 comma 0 as x1 y1 and 4 comma 4 as x2 y2. You apply in the formula 4 minus 0 divided by 4 minus 2, which is equal to 4 by 2, which is equal to 2. So what is dy by dx value? the dy by dx value is 2. You substitute here. 2 is equal to 2 into x minus 2, where 2 gets cancelled. So 1 is equal to x minus 2. Let us shift the 2 to LHS. So x is equal to what? X is equal to 3. Now you substitute in the y value to find y. So consider y is equal to x minus 2 the whole square. Y is equal to 3 minus 2 the whole square. Y is equal to 1 square. So y is equal to what? Y is equal to 1. Next, therefore, the points on the curve are points on the curve are 3, 1. Always x should be the first term and y should be the second term. 3, 1. Next problem. Next one, find the point on the curve. Find the point on the curve y is equal to x cube minus 11x plus 5 at which the tangent is y is equal to x minus y is equal to x minus 11. Here they had given the two equations. One is a curve and other is a tangent. Let us differentiate both the equation. We have to find the points. X cube minus 11x plus 5. You differentiate it. Differentiate with respect to x. So dy by dx is equal to x cube derivative is 3x square minus 11x derivative is 11. Similarly, consider the tangent. Consider the tangent equation. Consider the tangent equation. Y is equal to x minus 11. Differentiate it with respect to x. Dy by dx is equal to, it becomes 1. You substitute dy by dx here. So 1 is equal to 3x square minus 11. So 1 plus 11 is equal to, shifting the minus 11 to LHS. So 12 is equal to x square. 3x square is equal to 12. So x square equals what? 12 by 3. X square is equal to what? 4. So x is equal to what? Plus or minus 2, isn't it? Then we have to find y. You will get the confusion where we have to substitute. We are having y has in two equations where we have to substitute. Always remember, we have to substitute in the curve equation. Substitute in given curve. Which is a given curve? Y is equal to x cube minus 11x plus 5. When x is equal to plus 2. X is equal to plus 2. It becomes y is equal to 2 cube minus 11 into 2 plus 5, which is equal to 8 minus 22 plus 5, which is equal to, so 8 minus 22. 8 minus 22 is minus 14. Minus 14 plus 5, which is equal to minus 9. Minus 9. Similarly, when x is equal to minus 2, so y is equal to minus 2 whole cube minus 11 into minus 2 plus 5, which is equal to minus 8 plus 22 plus 5 minus 9 plus 27. So 27 minus 9, we get it as minus 18. Minus 18. Therefore, the points are, what are the coordinates? Therefore, the coordinates are points are 2, minus 9, minus 2, minus 18 are the points. This is the required answer. Next one. Next question. Find the equation of all the lines. Find the equation of all the lines having the slope 0, which are tangent to the curve, y is equal to 1 divided by x square minus 2x plus 3. Here the slope is given. Slope is nothing but what? Solution. Slope means dy by dx is equal to 0. Consider y is equal to 1 divided by x square minus 2x plus 3. So differentiate it with respect to x. So dy by dx is equal to, it is in the form of 1 by x. What is the derivative of 1 by x? Minus 1 by x square, isn't it? Minus 1 by x square. Now you have to differentiate this. Don't assume this is in denominator. Assume this is in the numerator itself. It will be 2x minus 2. It is 2x minus 2. They had given that the dy by dx is 0. So that it becomes minus 2x plus 2. I am multiplying the minus. It becomes minus 2x plus 2 divided by x square minus 2x plus 3 the whole square. Let us do the cross multiplication so that it becomes 0 is equal to minus 2x plus 2. So 2x is equal to what? 2. X is equal to what? 1. Isn't it? Now you substitute in the y. When x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1 divided by 1 minus 2 into 1 plus 3. It is equal to 1 divided by 1 minus 2 plus 3. It is equal to 1 divided by 3 plus 1, 4. 4 minus 2, 2. So y is equal to what? 2. So the points are, always write the x term, 1, 2. What we have to find? In this problem, we don't want the point. We want the equation. To find equation, we are finding the points. So the equation of tangent is y minus y1 is equal to dy by dx into x minus x1. Y minus, what is y1? You have to take at 1 comma 1 by 2. This will be x1 and this will be y1. So y minus 1 by 2 is equal to, what is dy by dx? Dy by dx is nothing but 0. X minus x1 means 1. So y minus 1 by 2 is equal to what? 0. So 2y minus 1 is equal to, I will take the LCM. So 2y minus 1 equals 0. So which is the required equation? So what is the equation? The equation is, or it can be written as 2y is equal to 1 by 2. Sorry, 2y is equal to 1, y is equal to 1 by 2 is the equation. required equation is the required equation. Next, next one, find the points on the curve. Find the points on the curve. Put the star. Find the points on the curve. X square divided by 4 plus y square divided by 25 is equal to 1, at which the tangents are, first question, parallel. Second one, parallel to x-axis. Parallel to x-axis. Parallel to x-axis means theta will be 0. Slope will be 0. Second one, parallel to, first one parallel to x-axis. Second one is parallel to y-axis. Parallel to y-axis means slope of the tangent will be what? Perpendicular, 90 degree. Isn't it? So, consider x square by 4 plus y square by 25 is equal to 1. Differentiate it with respect to x so that it becomes 2x by 4 plus 2y into dy by dx divided by 25 is equal to 0. You separate it. 2y by 25 into dy by dx is equal to minus 2x divided by 4. 2 gets cancelled. So, dy by dx is equal to minus 25 by 4 into x by y. Dy by dx is equal to minus 25 by 4 into x by y. First condition. What is the first condition? Given tangent is parallel to x-axis. Tangent is parallel to x-axis. If tangent is parallel to x-axis, then dy by dx is also 0 and x is also 0. If you take x as 0, x square by 4 plus y square by 25 is equal to what? 1. If x is equal to 0 plus y square divided by 25 is equal to 1. So, y square is equal to 25. Y is equal to plus or minus 5. What is the second condition? Second condition is the tangent of the line is parallel to y-axis. If it is parallel to y-axis, then y is equal to 0, so that it becomes x square by 4 plus y square by 25 is equal to 0. When y is equal to 0, x square by where? Y is equal to what? 0. So, x square is equal to 4. X is equal to what? Plus or minus 2. X is equal to plus or minus 2. Therefore, the points at which tangents or parallel to x-axis is 0, plus 5, 0, minus 5. Next, the points at which tangents are parallel to y-axis is 2 comma 0 minus 2 comma 0, which is the required answer. Next, take on one homework problem, children. That is a homework problem. Write on the homework problem. Find the point. Find the point at which. Find the point at which the tangent. Find the point at which the tangent to the curve. The tangent to the curve y is equal to root of 4x minus 3 minus 1. Root of 4x minus 3 dy by 4x minus 3 has its slope 2 by 3. I'm sorry. The question is y is equal to root of 4x minus 3 minus 1 separate. Minus 1 separate. The answer you must get it as 3 comma 2 is the point. First ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, dy by dx ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. dy by dx ಇರೋ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ 2 by 3 substitute ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. You will get the x value. The x value you substitute here, you will get the y value. Next, second question. The second homework problem. Find points on the curve. On the curve x square by 9 plus y square by 16 is equal to 1, at which the tangents are, first question, parallel to x axis. Second one, parallel to y axis. When it is parallel to x axis, the coordinate will be 0 comma 4 and 0 comma minus 4. 3 comma 0 and minus 3 comma 0 is the answer. Next, you must get that much of the answer. Is it clear? Next homework problem. So it is same as the previous problem. Is it clear? So you refer that question. Find the equation of all the lines having slope to which are tangents to the curve y is equal to 1 by x minus 3, where x is not equal to 3. So first you differentiate it. For dy by dx you substitute 2, you will get the x value. Again you substitute the x value here, you will get the y value. Then you got the x and y coordinate. Then use the equation y minus y1 is equal to a dy by dx into x minus x1, so that you will get the equation. The equation will be so here I think you will get it as 0. Therefore there will be no equation at slope 2. At slope 2 there is no equation, you have to write. Fourth one, find equation of all lines having slope minus 1 that are tangents to the curve. Y is equal to 1 by x minus 1, where x is not equal to 1. Follow the same procedure as we did in the previous one. So the equation will be the equation you have to get it as is equal to 0 and y plus x minus 3 is equal to 0. If you don't get, we shall discuss in the next class. In the next class we are doing the different type of the questions. Is it clear? So thank you.